Hello, my name is Jason Eades. I'm a PhD student in the Biomedical Engineering Department at Texas A&M University, and I'm a recipient of the 2022-23 Graduate Fellowship from the International Foundation for Ethical Research. My research centers around the development and implementation of an organ-on-a-chip model of human veins. The overall goal of my research is to leverage this technology to provide a greater understanding of how COVID-19 causes dysfunction and disease in human veins. In addition to respiratory manifestations of this disease, thrombotic or blood clotting disorders have been found to be major outcomes of COVID-19 occurring at unprecedented rates. In fact, these conditions have been found to be primary determinants of the disease's deadliness, so much so that early in the pandemic, up to 1/3 of deaths were found to result from such clotting disorders. Despite the prevalence of venous thrombosis, though, we know very little about how it occurs or how to treat it with or without COVID-19. This lack of understanding is largely due to a need for research models that can give us an accurate representation of the physiology and pathology of human veins. Ultimately, I hope that this study will demonstrate the advantages of non-animal in vitro platforms for studying cardiovascular and more broadly all human diseases, and thereby motivate others to reduce or replace the use of animals in their work. The decision to pursue a career in this field of biomedical research was absolutely a personal one for me. I was raised by veterinarians and spent much of my childhood in animal hospitals and engaged in animal welfare volunteer work. So while I have always had a desire to conduct biomedical research, I have remained deeply motivated by a desire to improve the health and quality of life for animals on a wide scale. As a result, I'm exceedingly grateful to be affiliated with an organization like IFER and its mission to reduce and ultimately replace the use of animals in medical research. Furthermore, I believe that animals do not necessarily represent the most suitable models for human medical research. Instead, many in vitro organ models are being developed that better recapitulate the key aspects of human physiology and disease. My hope is that by developing and implementing these solutions, we can make significant strides both in treating human disease and motivating others to use advanced non-animal models for research. Following my doctoral training, I plan to continue a career in developing and implementing human mimetic organ models. I plan to translate and commercialize model systems to reach wider markets in the hope that I can contribute to significant advancements in treating impactful diseases by motivating the adoption of advanced in vitro research tools.